Today we are going to take a look at two Soviet vacuum cleaners. So I think we should start off with the smaller one first. This is a Raketa 7M2, and I've never reviewed vacuum cleaners before, so I don't know what to talk about, but this has a lot of parts missing that were original, so the switch isn't original. It's been replaced with something else. The cord is also replaced with a much smaller one. And the front end is also from a different vacuum cleaner. It's actually from an older one. This one is made out of plastic, and this one is made out of vinyl or bakelite, or however you want to say that. The nice thing about it is that the bag is reusable in these vacuums, so you can just empty it out. As you can see, I've been using them, so it still has a bit of dust in it. You can wash them out, you can just empty them out and put them back like I did here. And let's take a look at the model number. It's not that easy to put this back on with one hand, actually. Let's look at the wheels as well. So this front wheel is like this. It spins around, and it's more like a ball, and one half of it spins. The two back wheels are covered with this thing, this design piece, and this is the model number. It basically tells you that it works from 220 volts, made in 19, and I think it's made in the USSR, and it's actually quite compact. You can carry it down to the car with a extension cord and vacuum out the car and stuff. So it's and the rear end, it also blows out air, and there was also an extension for a spray paint thing, whatever that's called. You attached it, and you could spray paint with it as well. I know it sounds unbelievable, and sadly I don't have many parts of these cleaners aside from the units and this hose. This hose is actually rather nice. It's really flexible, and it feels pretty good. It feels rubbery instead of plasticky like the ones today. And both of them work. This one is more powerful, partially because it's newer and has been used less probably, and also because it just has a bigger motor. These one had a fair bit of use. Like this one had more use, I think, just judging by what condition I found it in. And these are actually extremely good quality cleaners, I think. So let's take a look at this one, and I might plug them in, see, so you can see how they work. And this one is called Raketa 9A, and it has the information on the back here. This one is a bit better, and you can also take the front off, just like the other one. And you can take out the bag and the dust collection area. And what is nice about this one is it has a little thing like this, and if you suck up Legos or coins or, I don't know, screws maybe, they get stuck in this, and then you can open this up just with one hand. It's not that easy to do it with one hand. You open it up and take them out. or empty them into the trash bin, whatever you want to do with them. And it also has a bag like the other one, kinda. This one's just bigger. And yeah, it just the bag just wraps around this container. Like this, and you put it back there. This one has the on and off switch here, like a pedal, and it has a cord which is pretty long. You can unravel it like this, and there's another pedal that you step on, and it rolls the cable back up here. And this piece here is the output of the vacuum, or the exhaust, and you can actually plug the hose in there just like with the other one. So you can do it with one hand, and you can blow stuff with it. I don't know about the extension that this one had, but you can probably do the same things just like with this one. The bottom of this does not reveal any information about the vacuum. You can just take a look at the wheels. And yeah, these vacuums are pretty cool, I think. And I think I'll just plug them in and show you how they work. Let's get this tiny one first. Just like that. They're quite loud, actually, and they're quite strong. This is the exhaust. So yeah, this one is actually louder, I think, than this one. And with this one, with the longer cord, you can actually just do this. Hopefully nothing is damaged. It's always hard to do with one hand. And like this. And get this here. Exhaust is here. So yeah, these were the two Soviet vacuums I own.